up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. Today, I'm showing you guys world's biggest goat ranch. Are you ready? Yep, goats for days. Whoa. Climbing on the fence. Guys, I'm gonna set the camera up so I can climb over the fence. Sorry, guys, I put the camera up higher so you couldn't see the goats. It's because the goats are trying to eat my camera. Yeah, they do have a cast iron stomach. We even got a horse. All these animals are famous now. Yes, you are a famous goat. Well, why is this goat following me? There's a donkey too. And a horse. Good horse. There's Doc. That's Donald Trump. And there's so many goats. That's the male, that one with the big horns. The rest of them are females. This is the toughest goat, one of the toughest goats we have. And guys, I'm going to show you my favorite goat I have. Come here, Lumber. His name's Lumber. This little goat right here. There. See that little guy I'm pointing the camera at? That's him. I've had him ever since he was born here. And I'll show you the mom. Sadly, the dad is resting in peace. But, oh, and we have a pig. So, over there, that one's the mom. Why are they trying to eat my clothes? Hi, pig. Hi, Cupcake. Ugh. So many goats. This one, I don't know who he is. They're all gonna have babies. So that'll be fun. I'll have about 500 goats then, maybe. Over here's where I feed them. I got hay, some more hay. That thingamajig. Water's back over there by the gate. Here's one of their buildings. Right here's where we feed the two dogs. They jump through this hole. And there's their bowl. Then right here is where we can lock up the mamas when they're having babies. Then you come over here. Yeah, sleeping place. And here is a place where we can feed them when we don't want the males or we don't want the females to get the food. Or, yep, the horse. So, guys, then we create lots of fertilizer and sell. So, guys, actually, I want to show you something crazy. So, about a 500-pound building or more got flipped over. So, guys, right here used to be all the floor. But back there, that's the roof. This will right here normally be the wall. Hey, guys, I'm walking on the wall of a building. Yeah, and it also, this is where they would walk in, right here, that hole, which is now the roof, which used to be a wall. Over there, it's the real roof. And we got firewood when we're building out there. There's one more dog, some dogs are out there. And we have goats following me. So, guys, I'm going to go take you to show the rest of the pasture. We got a little creek. We got a waterfall, which smash that like button. If we get 2 likes on this video, I'll show you guys a waterfall. So, guys, we also got more hay out in the big field. And we got a little creek. So, guys, here the creek is. Guys, do you want to see underwater in the creek? Showing it to you in 3, 2, 1. Hopefully you guys liked that, because now my camera's rolling. But we got it rolling. Sorry guys that if it's a little blurry. I'm trying to clean it off. There. Oh, hi, Holly. It's a dog. Then we got a tree right here, a limb fell. So guys, I'm gonna try to get to a bridge. Oh no, it's washed out. That's bad. How guys do I get across this creek without getting my shoes dirty? Good question. If you guys were asking. I'm gonna get right here. And it's on jump. Which guys, this creek kind of recently had a flooding here in Oklahoma. Right now I'm in the wetlands. If you guys hear that's because I'm in the wetlands at the pasture. Which guys, I will be doing a name reveal when we hit 50 subscribers. So, and the dog. Back to the video. So guys, that's been the pond. And so guys, that's pretty much the tour, which hopefully you guys smashed that like button. And hopefully you did not break your device. That's how I broke my old iPad. And my dog helped breaking it too, but you guys saw that video. First we had goats, now dogs that were following me. So guys, I'm gonna walk along. If the camera bounces, it's because I'm walking. So guys, I should actually cross to somewhere else. Here's a little current. There's little fish in the creek. And dogs walk in it and follow me everywhere I go. By the way, those are great pyrenees. And smash that like button if you have a dog or a cat or any pet. Comment down below what kind of pet you have. We're protecting the goats. So guys, how shitty that building broke? Yeah. Over here's the lagoons. You got little water. You could find gold in that creek. Here's the gold finding spot. Look, this is a bridge I was looking for. I went the wrong way. Look, here the waterfall is. It's not very big, but it used to be better. Storm broke it. Here's the algae spot, which you could find gold here. Guys, I just walked across to that, and it was creepy, I'll tell you that. So here's the lagoon. I'll show you underwater here. I'm gonna break another camera. Guys, is it blurry?